Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Metro Royale unlocked, a raid ticket, basic gear like flashlight and mask. Once confirmed, load into the specified station and move to the yellow terminal checkpoint shown on the map. Approach slowly to avoid patrols. You want to trigger the terminal sequence cleanly. Once at the terminal, interact and select the hacking option when prompted. This first action kicks off the password letter chain, so make sure no enemies are nearby before committing to the interaction. Once done with the terminal, you proceed to search surrounding rooms for clue sources, paper notes, locker contents, and other terminals. You need to collect letters or fragments that form the password, check red-marked crates and alcoves, and loot every locker. Make sure to solve simple puzzles or use small keys found nearby because some letters are locked behind them. Keep track of letter order as you find them, since the game occasionally gives fragments that must be combined to form the correct password. You now return to the primary terminal and enter the assembled letter sequence. Input slowly and confirm each character. If it accepts, the door or cache opens. If the password fails, make sure you didn't miss a fragment, revisit lockers, side rooms, and any terminal logs. If letters despawn or the input glitches, your key troubleshooting move is to exit and restart the raid. That often respawns missing items. Finally, extract immediately after success to secure the loot without extra risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.